Maintaining a long-distance relationship requires patience, creativity, and trust. It is important to communicate daily, whether through text, email, chat, phone calls, or video chats. Avoid sharing information that may cause jealousy or make your partner feel left out. Trust is crucial in overcoming the challenges of distance, and it is important to address any concerns or insecurities directly with your partner. Recognize that feeling physically lonely is a common problem in long-distance relationships, but try to express your frustrations without blaming your partner. Be supportive of each other's daily lives and accomplishments, and make an effort to have fun and engage in activities that make you happy. Find ways to enjoy shared interests, such as watching a favorite TV show or movie together. Sending treats and thoughtful gestures will let your partner know they are on your mind. Make plans to see each other again in the future and celebrate special occasions together, even if you can't physically be in the same place. Keeping a calendar and sharing it with each other can help you stay connected.